So quick question. Is AI better at mathematics or creative? So hands up for mathematics. Okay, hands down. Hands up for creatives. Wah, wah, wah. AI is terrible at math. It's horrible. You know what it's good at? It's good at coding. Coding is not math. It's different. So that's why a lot of people, actually, AI is fabulous at creatives. And we're going to talk a little bit about that next. I do want to bring up, though, I don't have rose-colored glasses on here today. I think probably some of you are sitting there and go, yeah, she drank the Kool-Aid. She doesn't get it. But I do. And like anything else, you have to use these tools with an understanding of the guardrails. So I know that trusting AI, and that's part of why you asked the accuracy question, right, is difficult. So, but it has, with the new versions, decreased in hallucinations. So how many of you have heard that AI hallucinates? With the newer versions, you will see that this has improved tremendously. Also, I always say, wouldn't you proofread your own work or ask somebody to proofread something before you hand it to someone, right? Same thing. We always need human review. Very important.